Atongeria mwanya Kenya ni baboreretie nyuma ya gikuo kia rais wa bathatu wa Kenya MZEE Mwai Kibaki urokwire rukirwa na ari na ukurbo miaka 90 akiariria andiki banteto gavana wa Meru uria wari minister kagita kawathani bwa Kibaki na mugwetete ta muntu wa mukuririe gisiasa na kumukatha ni untu bakureta kithomo kio theri Kenya kagita ino kauna munini rais William Ruto uria kinyawe wari minister wathani bwa Kibaki amwe na njuri yawe ya Kenya kwanza ni bagwatete Kibaki ta rais uria waretera ugaruruku bunene bwa kiuchumi. Christine Wanjeru nante tuije.
It is my sorrowful duty to announce to the nation the passing on of His Excellency Mwai Kibaki.
Tariki cia umundi igatura mabukuni na nkinya nkoroni cia Kenya enge nuntu wa gutigwa ni Mwai Kibaki rais wa kathatu wa Kenya uria ukuire kirauko kia umundi ni nyuma ya ndwari ya gitariraca.
Basi asanteni sana. Ngoje tu dakika 2 alafu twende nyumbani.
Mwai Kibaki ena mauntu mengi maria karirikanwa na mone Kenya. Kuambiriria migambo yawe ya mathekania indi antumiri ciawe kiria Kenya kuthikire uruti wira wawe.
Mimi nafikiri imefanya kila mtu kufurahi. Si ndio? Si tumefurahi? Zote tumefurahi.
Kibaki akuite ena miaka 90. Akinenkanira ntumiri yawe ya kuboreria munini wa rais William Ruto na kathite Kibaki ni kugarura uchumi wande ino ya Kenya.
Where we are discussing the economy of our country, we pay tribute to our third president, President Mwai Kibaki, an outstanding economist, a man who has distinguished himself with a great legacy that he has left behind, an accomplished Kenyan, a man who we all respect as our third president, a person almost all of us here worked with as his ministers. Today, as Kenya, we have lost a great son of our country and a great leader.
Na NIUNTU Musale Mudavadi akuga nimo masiara a Kenya magukenera tha ino.
A politician who then stood very firm and laid the foundation for the economic fruits that Kenya is experiencing today. And indeed, a politician whom Kenyans voted for overwhelmingly against all odds in 2002.
Akiongera Moses Wetangula na mugwetete ta muntu arendete thiri na rais mwega twanagia nthini ino.
We all feel the gap, the loss, and share in the sense of pain with this family. Distinguished right from Makerere University as an economist and a teacher, Mwai Kibaki scaled the heights of Kenyan politics from the humility of the executive officer of the then ruling party to rise to be one of the finest finance ministers of this country and then the best president that we have had. We worked with him. We remember him fondly as one of the most detribalized public leaders in this country.
Governor wa county ya Meru Kiraitu Murungi na kathite mututigi Mwai Kibaki baria akuga onarumagira makinya mawe niwe baretire mathomo matina maribi Kenya na atari muntu mukabira na weta Kiraitu na gukena muno kuruta wira thirikari-ini yawe.
Kibaki ari president umume sana, president utaina rambu, president wantu na ria twawata uhuru. Kibaki no tetheretie Kenya muno na kuandika manifesto ya KANU 1963. Kibaki hata kuraia na area umite kethori mwikamba kana mwiku kana munjaru kana waruya. Kibaki akuraia na witite.
We have lost him at a time when Kenya required his wisdom, political wisdom. But we also know he was a statesman that was unique, that he listened to what people were saying before he made a decision. Late President Kibaki spearheaded this country out of terrible economic time of the 90s in ensuring that we got a real economic state of country where everybody alikuwa anasema tunajifunia kuwa wa Kenya.
This is the man that became the president of this country at the age of 70. And the 10 years that Mwai Kibaki led this country, he did turn around the economy that was almost collapsing at that time.
Rĩrĩa aliku nethite kiama gikinene muno ya tongeria ba Kenya na nyaba mu barongo kira kathiriye iretwa Kenya Vision 2030 ĩrĩa na kiroto ora Kenya yumba gwitambere na gukira na kiroto kiu nikyo kukona kiaretira mantu ya manende ne Kenya yathika super highway kinya gari mwankiri kunandi yabangitwe gitara Kibaki.
Gitari Mbiuki augite akamurikana muno ni katiba ya mwaka wa 2010 na iria iretete mogaruruku mengi magukuria nthi ino ya Kenya.
Ni muishi Mwai wa Kibaki as a president wa Republic ya Kenya miaka 10 ni aturutirite wira mwingi muno gintu kionthe turishaga Kenya ino kuma igita liu katuge niwe mwansirishi na nkinauga kiria very notable atunengeretura antu ma Kenya ni gutunengera katiba ya Kenya 2010, Constitution of Kenya 2010, na ni muishi Constitution of Kenya 2010 niyo yatumire Kenya twamiga maita 47 twakirieti ino tugwita counties anibo thalakanithia kirietirwe na nibo mbeca cionthe cia Kenya ciaombire gutuika ni distributwa kuri counties na tuge kiu nikio ni personally ndigitarwa Mbiuki munaga kiri kibeo kiria Kibaki atunengere kiari kinene muno.